Hello and welcome to today's video on the Internet of Things, IoT. IoT is a technology that connects various devices and appliances to the Internet, enabling them to communicate with each other and share information. We all know that smartphones, laptops, and computers have become an essential part of our lives, and they communicate with each other over the Internet, connecting us to the world. But with IoT, different devices can also connect to each other. For example, your smartphone and smartwatch can be connected, and they can track your daily activities. Another example is the smart home technology that is becoming increasingly popular these days. Smart home technology connects various devices such as smart TVs, smart speakers, smart lights, smart thermostats, etc., to the Internet. With IoT, all these devices can be controlled and monitored remotely through a smartphone app. IoT is transforming the way we live, work, and communicate. It is creating a world where devices can connect and interact with each other, leading to improved efficiency, productivity, and convenience. However, it also raises concerns about security and privacy, which need to be addressed. So, that's a brief introduction to IoT and its potential. Stay tuned for more videos on IoT and its applications in different fields. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos.